दिल्लीમાં ઉડારે ગુલાલ ગુલાબી રંગ કેસરિયા.
Dear friends, very good morning. Today we will start exercise 8.4. Before starting this chapter, exercise 8.4 exercise, let me summarize what we have read till now. In 8.1 we have read definitions. These were the definitions. And we have read this also, husband and wife, whatever inverse relations, sine and cosec, cos and sec, like that. In 8.2 we have read 8.3. In 8.2 was, what was 8.2? Yes, in 8.3 it was complementary angles. In 8.2 was, yes, in 8.2 was values of sine and cos. So we have read 0, 30 degree, 45, 60. It has taken a lot of time to derive all the values. In 8.4, this was 8.1. This is 8.3 actually, husband and wife and this. And 8.2 was the value. So value, let me write only for the your 8.2, exercise 8.2. This was the definitions, from this to this was in exercise 8.1. This was only in 8.3. In 8.2, I have told you all the values in 8.2. That was 0, 1 upon 2, 1 upon root 2, root 3 by 2 and 1. This was the sign. 5 values, and 0, 1 upon root 3, 1, root 3 and infinite. This was the 10. So this was the 8.2, 8.1. 8.1 was definition, and this was also 8.3 is relations, husband and wife relations from the definitions, and 90 minus theta is also a definition. In the proof of complementary angle, which I have teach in complementary angles, trigonometrical ratios, the link is given, you can see. So this is also from the definition, and this was the practical. Whatever you have read till now, these were all definitions. These all are depends on your chapter number 6, basic proportionality theorem of geometry. What was? Your geometry was, if you have an this angle, suppose this is 30 degree. So in 30, if you take any this right angle triangle, this, so in front of 30 the smallest will be 1, in front of 90 the greatest will be 2, and this is the root 3. So if you increase this one, suppose I increase it 2, this is the 2, and I make it 3, means double and half, 1 and half. So the ratio will be same. Suppose I take it 2 to the 4. If this was the 2, I take it 4, 2 again. So this will be 1 and 1. This will be 2 times. And this one, new will be 2 times of 3 root 2. Means all the sides are doubled. I have taken a special, this was the 2 under root 3, and root 3 was only this one. So this is the unit triangle for the trigonometry. I have taken for example. So in that exercise chapter number 6, that was the basic proportionality theorem, like that. Here are 2 triangles. The first triangle is like this. Suppose write it A, B and C. This is A, B and C, and the big one is somewhat big. Similar to it, similar. The question is similar. This one, and P, Q and R. This was. So in that theorem it was taught A, B, C similar to PQR. At that time the ratio means here AB AB, then here PQ, here AB, BC, and here CA. These are the three sides. R will be in the same ratio here, PQ, this one PQ, QR, and RP. Just like this was the example solve test. Exercise 6 point, I think 1 or theorem 6.23. So all these were, all these definitions, all these values were depends on this theorem, only one theorem. This is the basic fundamental theorem. Means if the triangles of the same type, the sides will be in the same ratio. One more fundamental theorem is geometry, Pythagoras. So these all are used in this type, all derivation. This theorem was used because the same ratio. So this is the ratio, this is the ratio, this is the ratio, and this what the value I have found. This is all again ratio, trigonometrical ratio. The another one, so that was the chapter number 6, and the theorem. Let me find and tell you where it is. Basic proportionality theorem, theorem 6.3. Yes, theorem 6.3, page number 131. This is 131. If in two triangles corresponding angles are equal, then their corresponding sides are in same ratio. So this was the ratio, and ratio if you write here AB means 2, then BC, 2 ratio 1 ratio under root 3. So and this is the double. So this was the 2, it has become now 4 ratio, everything is double, 4 ratio 2 root 3. So you can see everything is doubled here. You may take 2 upon 4 is equal to 1 upon 2 is equal to this you can also. So in your book it is written AB upon PQ, means 2 upon 4, like that. So all these definitions were based on this theorem. Theorem 6.3, theorem 6.345 that, and you can see 6.345. So that was the chapter number 6, and after that 6.6 right, Pythagoras theorem, page number 145, theorem number 6.7, 6.8. So Pythagoras theorem also comes in the new format in trigonometry, and that is sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. How? So these only trigonometry based on these fundamental theorems. And other theorems, how many you read, 6.1, 6.2, 6.3 in chapter number 6, those are only different forms. The basic fundamental theorems is this was called basic proportionality theorem. Basic proportionality theorem means in a triangle keeping the same size. Just in my face, if you are drawing on the copy, you will make the ratio, of my mouth, my hand in the same ratio, then it will be just same image will be there. Similarity, when we increase, do 2 times, 3 times just in your camera. So that is the basic proportionality theorem of geometry. And another one is Pythagoras theorem. Actually Pythagoras theorem is not basics, that is a result. Pythagoras theorem can be proved with the help of this theorem, basic proportionality theorem. In spite of that, Pythagoras theorem is very important result, so we prove it. So similarly, we will use in trigonometry also Pythagoras theorem in new format, and the theorem is in your exercise 8.4, trigonometric identity, page number 190, exercise 8.4. The topic is trigonometric identity. Identity means, formula. The formula is sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Actually, this is the Pythagoras theorem. Sometimes it is written a here, sin square a plus cos square a is equal to 1. Means theta means any value of angle. You can check it also here, 1 upon 2, sin 45. If you check for the sin 45, you will get the 1. So first, before proving, let me prove this holds or not. Suppose I take sin theta is equal to 30 degree. So this was the tan value, and this is the sin value. Cos value, you know how to find the cos value. Okay. So suppose I take sin square 30 degree plus cos square 30 degree. Now check it. Is it equal to 1? Check. Sin square 30 is 1 upon 2 to the whole square plus cos square 30. In this video I have told you complementary angle cos 30. There is no need to learn cos. Only learn this. Cos 30 means sin 60. So sin 60 is cos 30 means sin 60. Sin 60 square root 3 by 2 to the whole square, and you will add, you will get 1. Root 3 square 3 upon 4, 1 upon 4, and you will add, will be 1. Sin 0 is equal to, you can prove sin square 0 degree plus cos square 0 degree also equal to 1. Yes, you can check. Sin 0 means 0. So 0 square 0. Cos square 0, cos 0. What is the value of cos 0? When cos is 0 means sin 90. So cos 0, so sin 0 is equal to 0 square, and cos 0 means sin 90, or sin 90 value 1 square. You will get 1. 45. Okay, again let me check. So this was the second I have checked. This is the first, and the third one is sin square 45 plus cos square 45 is equal to 1. Yes, let me check, because both are equal. So 1 upon root 2 square, and this is 1 upon root 2 square is equal to 1. So you can check 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 2 square. When you will say square means under root 2 will be square terms means 2. So 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 2, you will get 1. So I have taken here 30, then 0, then 45, then 60, you may have, then 90, you may have sin square 90 plus cos square 90. Everywhere you will get 1. So with the help of this, I will solve 8.4 question number 3. And we have only one formula, sin square theta plus cos square theta, and I have told you this is the Pythagoras. These all are basic proportionality theorem, 6.1 theorem, chapter number 6, 6.1 to 6.67 you may say, and this is the theorem 6.7, 8, 9, 10, Pythagoras. This is the identity because it is true for all the triangles. Just like Pythagoras, in the Pythagoras theorem, it was proved. Suppose this is theta degree, this is 90 degree. So for this theta, what is base and what is height? The proving is very simple, just based on the definitions. So for this theta, this will be base and this will be hypotenuse. This will be hypotenuse and this will be base. So obviously this will be perpendicular. So sin theta, we will write here sin square theta plus cos square theta, and we will check it is 1 or not. So sin theta means from the definitions, sin theta perpendicular by hypotenuse. Okay, just write ABC, B and C. So Pythagoras theorem states that AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. AC square is equal to hypotenuse square is equal to base square. AC means hypotenuse, base square plus perpendicular square. Hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus perpendicular square. This is the Pythagoras theorem, and the same thing will come here in the terms of this formula. Okay, we will place the value sin theta. Sin theta means perpendicular by hypotenuse, square theta. So you may write BC upon this also, just like given in your book. So let me write BC. Sin theta is equal to perpendicular means BC upon hypotenuse AC, या CA to the whole square plus cos square theta. Cos theta is equal to, again from the definition, yeah? See, just like Pythagoras theorem was proved with the help of 6.3 basic proportionality theorem, similarly this is proved with the help of definitions. Okay, cos square theta, base by hypotenuse, base यानी कि AB, hypotenuse यानी कि AC to the whole square. AC square is common, so BC square plus AB square or whole divided by AC square. And you see BC square plus AB square, BC square plus AB square is Pythagoras theorem, AC square. So AC square upon AC square means 1. So this is a very general triangle. I have not taken any value of theta, so it is proved. So this was the proving of this question, sin square theta. A very short trick of this question also, I have taken this and then prove is equal to 1. If the same questions I will not write from here, and I will take from this Pythagoras, then what will we get? If we take Pythagoras from the starting, so just AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square. This is the proved now. So divide by AC square. Divide in all the terms. Divide. So AC square means AB square upon AC square, divide, plus BC square upon AC square is equal to AC square upon AC square, means all the terms I have divided by AC square. So AB upon AC, AB upon AC, base by hypotenuse means cos square theta, and BC perpendicular by hypotenuse, AC square upon hypotenuse. So this is sin square theta. So again you may have cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1. So this was again proved. Okay, I have divided by AC square, so I am getting this result. If I divide by AB square, I may divide BC square also, so I may get another result. What? Okay, so note it, divide AC square, so you will get this result. If you divide by AB square, suppose I divide by AB square, so AB square upon AB square plus BC square AB. In this case what you have got, this is 1 and this is what? BC upon AB. BC upon AB, this perpendicular by base. This is tan. So this formula will be 1 plus tan square theta is equal to AC upon AB. AC means hypotenuse upon AB, base. Hypotenuse upon base. What is hypotenuse upon base? Hypotenuse and base. Hypotenuse upon base means sec. So this will be 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. This is another result of the same Pythagoras theorem. And this time I have divided AB square. So this was the second result. So let me write, okay, if I will divide by BC square, then okay, so this is written here, the same question, na? I have derived this one, then this one, and the same question. Suppose I write here AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square and divide by BC. Earlier I have divided by AC, hypotenuse I have division. So in the division hypotenuse, you know, the two terms are there, sine and cos. So I have got relation in the sine square theta plus cos square theta. When we have divided in AB means here base. So two types of base are there, base and base. So we have got base and base, tan and sec. This one, if you divide BC, perpendicular, so divide it, AB square upon BC square plus this one. So AB, BC, this is the one plus 1. This is what? AB upon BC. This is what? AB upon BC. Base by perpendicular. Base by perpendicular. Base by perpendicular. Inverse cot. So this is 1 plus cot square theta is equal to here AC upon BC. AC upon BC, hypotenuse upon perpendicular, hypotenuse upon perpendicular. This is cosec. So 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta. So this is, so you are getting three formulas, 1 and this is 2 and this is 3. But you see, this is only the Pythagoras theorem in different form, where all the trigonometrical ratios has been used, sin square theta plus cos square theta, 1 plus tan, with the tan it is sec, tan, sec, cot and cosec. So sin and cos neighboring, you can have sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1, but here the things have changed. What? 1 plus, you will learn it, 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. If you write in this way, so tan and sec, but here 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta, and here again 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta. So in this formula, in this format we can write these formulas. Usually in the starting students forget, yeah, what was 1 plus tan square theta is equal to cot square theta or sec square theta. So for that I have made an techniques of this same photo, you know, of triangle. This is 1 plus tan square theta is equal to, you know, this is the first, suppose you take, this is the husband and this is the wife, husband and wife. So husband is related, husband is the friend of husband, 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta, and the wife is the friend of wife, 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta. So this is, you may round. So husband and husband, wife and wife, and neighboring also, and this was neighboring and husband and wife. So in this figure you may say like that. Husband and wife. These are the husband and wife, means half round, half arrow and half round. This is half round, half arrow. Husband and wife. You may say husband and wife, anyone. But here, this is the husband, tan and cot, inverse was there. So 1 plus tan square theta is equal to husband friend. So this is the third relation, husband, friendship, friends, husband, husband, here wife, wife, because these are the very fundamental, sin square theta plus cos square theta. Most of the times you will see Pythagoras theorem in trigonometry in this form. Most of the times. This is very important. So, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. This is the most fundamental. So, this is the theorem. These three new formulas, and with the help of these three formulas and earlier all this information, you can solve all the questions of exercise 8.4. So, in just next video, I am solving the questions. Just look it and enjoy. Okay.